Hi everyone, my name is Sasha and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a get ready with me while in quarantine because of the COVID-19 virus. Stick around and enjoy. Now that I'm fresh and clean from the shower, my first step is to put on contacts. Now I'm back with contacts. I feel like a brand new woman who does not have glasses. Next step is to use moisturizer. I will be using this Olay Complete moisturizer that has SPF in it because the sun is always out and the rays will harm your skin. So I'm not using a mirror because there's no mirror around me. So I'll be using the viewfinder. I use about, this is too much, but I use about that much. Just gonna lather it on. So now once you're all shiny and look like a newborn baby, the excess leftover of the moisturizer, because like I said, I use too much. So we're going to go wash that out of my hand. So I'll be right back. Now that the moisturizer is rinsed off of your hand, my next step is foundation. And no, I do not use primer because Sister James told me that you don't need primer and you just need moisturizer. So I'm going with that. I think he said that once. So I'm going with that. I'm going to be using Maybelline 24 Hour Stay Foundation, and it's the 102 Fair Porcelain one because I am pale. I'm going to apply this with a really big body and face beauty blender, which I just wet up. So I'm going to apply this to my face. I'm just going to skip ahead to when this step is set with this Maybelline Fit Me matte and oilless powder, and I just use this Acetica really big powder brush. I think it's a powder brush. Again, I'm not a makeup artist. Apply this 100 translucent all over my face to set the wet foundation, and I put some on my eyelid as a primer for eyeshadow because I did not have eyeshadow primer. Next step is the brows. I am using this BH Cosmetics Flawless Brow Trio, and it's in the color light. It looks like this inside. So I'm just going to be applying that to my eyebrows. That is both eyebrows done. The next step is highlighter. I'm going to be applying it with this nice fanned out little highlighter brush. I am going to be using this pink one in Peroxide. So now I'm going to go in with my eyeshadow. I'm going to be using this pink Lily. Lily is going to go all over the base. To go in with nice brown, and it's called Nessa. So I'm just going to put a little bit on the eyeshadow brush and just do it on the outer corner of the lid. That is the finished eyeshadow look. To the mascara, I am going to once again be using a Maybelline product. It is the Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara with a BH Cosmetics Lash Curler. This is how they look after I use that curling method. Let me just go in with the other eye. Next, I'm going to go in with this Falsie Push-Up Drama. And the finished lash look is this. Final makeup step on this Get Ready With Me video is lip gloss. I'm going in with the Lorac Lips Benefits. This is the final makeup step. Next step will be the hair. After my hair is all brushed out from that craziness, it looked pretty straight because I do have naturally straight hair. And I'm going to go in with this Conair blow dryer and blow dry my side bangs down. And it's going to be a straight across bang look today, only because my bangs are that versatile. So after my hair is mostly blow dried, I'm going to brush the side bang forward, and they're pretty long. I'm going to go in with the straightener and just style them forward. So after I straightened my bangs forward, I did a little swivel motion to curl it in with the straightener, and I kind of look like the woman from Incredibles right now, only because I did not style the rest of my hair. So my go-to style when I style my bangs is a half up, half down style. I'm going to be using this nice pink bow as the base of the ponytail. So now that my hair is in this half up, half down ponytail with this bow I got from Forever 21, I'm going to curl the pieces around my face just so it's not so structured. I'm back with the curl pieces around my face. I don't really know how I feel about the bang. Maybe I'll just part it to the side. Now finished, I might curl more pieces around my face. As for my top of my outfit, I am wearing a Sisters hoodie from the James Charles collection. It's banana yellow, honestly, but I tied it up in a bow here because, as you can tell, I love bows. This is how the back of my head looks, and you can see the back of the Sisters hoodie. It's repeating. As for the bottom of my outfit, I am wearing curvy high-rise jeggings from American Eagle. These are my favorite pair of jeans, and I recommend that everyone who wants a good pair of jeans, they check out American Eagle for the jeans look with my Sisters repeating hoodie. And as for the belt, I am wearing this nice Virgo belt from Banana Republic. As for my shoes, I'm not wearing shoes because I'm home. I'm wearing nice socks. These are my socks. They are little dogs with a hamburger body. I think they are so cute. So much for watching. That is a get ready with me video, and this is the final look. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Comment down below some video ideas you would like to see from me.